So this is just a Peruvian girl traveling around the world and starting at home. Many tourists come to Lima every year and they go directly to Cuzco. Most times because they don't think Lima has much interesting things to do. That is just a huge city with a chaotic traffic, and that's basically it. But I'm gonna show you that that's not what is Lima like. I'm gonna show you some interesting places and I hope you will enjoy it. And this is just the perfect time to come to Lima.
Summertime in Lima is the best time of the year to visit the city because it's the season of the sunniest days. The rest of the year it's completely cloudy. Miraflores is the main touristic area in Lima, and it's probably the place you will visit the first time because most hotels and hostels are here. And the Kennedy Park is the meeting point of this area. And people get here to go to restaurants, bars, or dancing. Another interesting feature of the Kennedy Park is cats. It's cats and cats and cats all over the place. This has happened like in the last 10 years and has become one of the main attractions of this park. If you are a fan of cats, this is definitely a place you have to visit here. And who wouldn't fall in love with these cute kitties? Okay, now it's time to go down the cliff to the beach.
So here we are at Miraflores beach. There's already many people going down the beach. It's a very sunny day, very hot, an amazing day here. And you see there's already lots of selfies there. So we're going down. What you see here, it's one of the private clubs in Miraflores. This is terrazas. Yeah, all the people are chilling there on the swimming pool. That's the road. And here's where all the common people come for the beach. And there's always plenty of surfers there. It's surfing, it's quite a thing here. And what you see there, it's the Nautica restaurant. It's quite famous, it's very elegant and expensive, and it's a very romantic place. If you have a date, this is the place you want to go.
All this area of beaches are called the Costa Verde, meaning the green coast. It's not so green, of course, because Lima is a desert, but they named it like that after the Blue Coast in France. I know it doesn't look much like it, but we are lucky to have the coast just some minutes from home. In Miraflores, surfing is a very big thing. You can find places to practice surfing, surfing schools, where to rent boards, suits and everything you need. And you will notice that this is a different beach from what we will see in our next episode in Barranca.
Now we are going up the cliff again to that part and to the lighthouse.
I'm not sure if it was a good idea to climb up the stairs all the way up the hill, the cliff, knowing that it's summertime and it's one of the hottest days this season so far. We already have stairs to go. We've already gone this far. We made it to the top and we have a nice view of the Lima bridge and the beach back. I wonder why this plastic thing like in a bridge. Well, it was a favorite spot for suicidals some time ago, so they had to put these plastic things so people stop throwing themselves from the bridge. Right across the bridge you will see this big sculpture of two people kissing. That is the Love Park. A very romantic spot for people in love. You should see this place full of people on Valentine's Day. And what would be more romantic than just being with your love, staring at the sea on the sunset? But we're heading somewhere else, and we are just gonna enjoy the view from the top of the cliff all the way to our destination. It is the lighthouse. I don't think you can go inside the lighthouse. I've never seen anybody who has, but still it's a good place for picnics, doing sports, just jogging, or just hanging out with friends. Do yoga, play with the kids, walk the dog, whatever you think about. There's many activities here on the weekend especially. Wonder if you ever seen a parapuerto, a paraport. Well, that's for paragliding here. And Miraflores is the best spot for that in the city. You can find people flying every single day here, and for some dollars you can do exactly the same and have the best views from the sky of the city. I haven't done that so far, but well, maybe one of these days. I'm just a few minutes from home from here. If you wanna feel like a bird, this is something you have to do.
Reason number one to come to this Lima in summertime is this.
What can be more beautiful than being able to see this kind of sunsets every day, just some minutes from home? This is completely priceless. Now we're going somewhere else to finish this tour with a nice spot. This is Larcomar. This mall is a park on the top, and the shops and the restaurants are in the next level going down the cliff. Good place for having a drink or eating something after this long day having a walk in Miraflores. And this is a good place to finish the day and see the evening coming. So that was it for this walking tour in Miraflores and your first day in Lima. But that doesn't mean the day has ended, because night has just started in Miraflores, but that's another episode.
What you're looking just right behind me is Huaca Pucllana. This is an ancient construction before the Inca time. It's in Miraflores and it's just in the middle of the city, as you can see, because just in front of it we have a bunch of houses. And places like this are all around Lima. So now you think Lima is boring?
If you want to go in the Huaca Pucllana, entrance is 15 soles and it's open from Wednesday to Monday. It's also open at night, but you have to check out the schedules on the webpage. And we will see you next time on day 2 in Lima, where we are going to Barranco.